Hello everyone, how are you? Happy New Year! I'm back finally. My first 2018 video will be a first impression and a product review maybe. So what am I going to do today is like a first impression product review. The product that I'm going to try is this one. If you watch my iHerb haul video, I bought this from my last purchase. So this is Real Techniques Miracle Diamond Sponge. I don't think this one is getting very popular on YouTube, or I haven't really searched anything. But I bought it just because it is very interesting. Like it's a diamond shape. So it says that this product is designed to work with multiple products on different areas of your face. It looks like the flat top of the diamond shape is for buff and blend, and then the smaller flat size is for what around eyes, mouth, and brow bone, and the larger flat size is function as a wedge to apply makeup to larger areas, and the pointed tip is for covers small imperfections. So let me open it first. So it is like a diamond. It feels like the normal Real Technique sponge. It's like a sponge. It is quite small actually. Okay, let me put some foundations on to see how I feel. So I'm going to try on this La Mouth BB cream. So I will try the flat side first. The flat side looks like it is quite easy to apply the liquid foundation on the face because it is so flat. So it is very easy to just evenly spread the foundation on the face. Yeah, this is quite good though. Especially the chin. It is so easy to put the foundation on the chin area. Yeah, it did makes like the foundation quite easy to put on the face. So let me try the small flat side. So I'm going to put it on the edge of my lip. Those sort of small area. Oh, okay. Maybe I put it under eye because it is quite difficult to apply the under eye sometimes. Okay, this is not going to work. The pointy side. Okay, the flat side, yeah, it is quite, how to say, it is quite different because the shade, I mean, when I hold that on this side, it is not easy to hold because it is very pointy here. I think this sponge, it absorbs quite a lot of my foundation. It's like, it is quite, I don't have much on my face. I just turn on the fan because it is very hot. it is actually very difficult to hold it because like most of the time I have to use the flat side to apply. So, but that's very tiny in this area. So it is very difficult for me to hold it. Okay, let me try the pointy one to put it on my my nose area. It's not going to work because the pointy side is so soft, so it is very difficult to apply anything. Okay, let me make a conclusion. So when I first applied this flat side on my face, I did quite how to say happy with the flat side because it seems like it is quite easy to put the foundation on the big areas. So it is quite easy to just spread out the foundations to the big areas. But after a while, I think this sponge actually it absorbs lots of sponge. So I don't feel like I have much on my face. You see, I don't have much on my face. So I'm quite amazed. I mean, surprised that that all my foundations are gone. And then when I keep putting the foundation on, I actually how to say lost all my interest to the flat side because it didn't really do any jobs on it. So when I use the small flat side, try to put the foundation under my eyes, I feel like it is good, but it didn't really apply properly, and then the large flat top, I don't know, it's just very difficult to use it. As for the pointy side, it is too soft. You see, the pointy side is too soft. So if you try to put the small things in the small areas, it is not quite workable because it can hardly absorb put any foundations on the face. So it is not quite working for the pointy side. Overall, I think this diamond shape is quite a gimmick. I think I still like the Real Techniques, the traditional that sponge. That one is really good. That when I apply the foundation on my face, maybe I apply some powder, mineral powder on my face. See how it goes. So I put some mineral powder on the flat top. I will try the large flat. I think I like to use this sponge on the mineral powder more on the liquid foundation. The whole thing, I think only the flat side is quite good because the flat side is really like a stem that can press the foundation. I mean, I had the same feeling for both liquid, the BB cream and this mineral powder. Like the flat side is quite good because it's like a stem. Just push the foundation or the powder, mineral powder on the face. But on the small angle areas, I think I still need to use other sponge to put the foundation or mineral powder on. So this one, it looks like it works better for me. I feel like it works better for the mineral powder than the BB cream. And I think I just like the flat top. I don't really like the other side. I can't really use this one properly on the other side. But the flat top is quite good. It's just, you can just use like a stem to stain the powder on the face. Okay, that's all for my sharing for this product. I hope that I can explain well for what I feel for this product, because I'm quite confused about this one. If you ask me if I will buy again or not, I don't think I will buy again. But if you are interested in some new stuff, you can give it a go for this one. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.